My name is Aditya Vangankar. So today I'm going to talk about basics of Arduino. What is Arduino? So you can say this Arduino Wi-Fi. So actually this is Arduino Mega Wi-Fi. It's an advanced version of Arduino Mega 2560. So what is actually Arduino? Arduino is a tiny computer, you can say, or brain of machineries. In easier words, I can say it's a brain that controls sensors, objects like fan, tube lights, anything that can conduct electricity, that can optimize data. So, components. Components. So we can divide this in three parts. First is board. You can see this is sturdy. This can't be breaked easily. It can't bend. This is a board, a blackboard. Second, if we talk about its power source, it's powered by two things. It's upon you what you prefer. One is a 12-volt DC adapter or a pin hole. Second is USB port. This is USB-B. Generally in mobiles, in Android mobile phones, it was used around 2000 till 2020 or 21, I guess. Yeah. So you can basically get these cables anywhere. I would personally prefer this pin. Why? USB-B. Why this pin? USB-B. You can store, program any data you want to control the sensors or objects. So this pin is visible. When you will use this DC pin, you will use this DC pin after you have programmed data or it's a pre-program, like you have programmed the Arduino. Now you don't need that data cable. So you power the Arduino by this DC adapter. Third part, we can say pins. What are pins? Again, say this holes. These are pinholes. Here you can insert pins. Pins like these pins. See, I have inserted these pins. So we have these pins. Why pins? So you have to connect the sensors with Arduino. The Arduino will control the sensors. So you use the jumper cables. Jumper cables are of various types. This is an male-to-male cable. So here pins are mostly used to transmit data or signals. Data or signals are of two types. One is digital. Second is analog. Actually, this part isn't that important, or for now, it's not that important. But I think you should know digital. That is 1 0 or 0 1. This digital data is finite. Finite, we can say it's specific data. It's limited data. Like if I say I want to go from Dadra to Ghansoli, that's a finite distance I have to cover. So we can call that a digital data. It works in ones and zeros only. Analog. It's an continuous data. I will explain you in 2 sentences what this both data mean. Digital data. You can say I've switched from day to night quickly, instantly. That is digital data. At one time I was having day. I suddenly switched. Now it's night. So that's a digital data. But in analog, you can't switch. You have an type of regulator in your hand. I'm giving an example, huh? It's day. You are regulating to night slowly, slowly. You are dimming the daylight. The sun is going down, the moon is coming up. You are regulating it. Again, you can do it reverse. So that's all on Arduino. Thank you.